In this lecture, we are going to talk about enums. So first of all, you may pose the question that what are enums? Enums or enumerations are representing a group of named constants in a programming language. An enum type is a special data type, basically a special class that represents a group of constants which are unchangeable variables that represents a group of constants. Of course, constants are unchangeable variables like final variables in Java. In order to create enum, we can use the enum keyword, so instead of a class or an interface, we can define an enum and separate the constants with the help of commas. Because they are constants, the field names of the enum types are in uppercase letters. What's crucial that enums are unchangeable variables that must be equal to one of the values that have been specified. Common examples include directions such as north, south, east and west, or the days of the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up to Sunday. So these kinds of constant variables can be used as enumerations. So this is how we can define it in Java. So public enum day, this is how we create the day enum type, and as you can see, we can define the given values: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If we want to use it as a variable, as you can see, we can use enum as a data type. So a day with variable name d is equals to the day dot, and with the help of the dot operator, we can choose the given variables we have specified within the enumeration. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So after we select, for example, Friday, then the d variable is going to store Friday as a constant. So we can use enums for different things, such as with switch statements. We are going to take a look at several examples, and it's going to be clear why is it crucial to talk about enumerations. The final question is, what's the crucial difference between enums and classes? An enum can have attributes and methods just like classes, but contrary to a class, enum constants can be public, static and final. It is crucial that unchangeable in this case means that it cannot be overridden. Okay, so an enum cannot be used to create objects, and it cannot extend other classes, but it can implement interfaces. So a good question is when to use enums. You should use enum type anytime you need to represent a fixed set of constants. Use enums when you have values that are not going to change, like month, days, colors, deck of cards and so on. So in the coming lectures, we are going to talk about concrete examples related to enums. Thanks for watching.